You silly.
Are you bouncing? Yeah. Whoa!
Whoa, where are you going?
Hey, over here. Skylar.
Hi, baby.
Bounce.
Hi, baby.
See, I'm trying to bounce, Dad.
I'm a little crooked. Where you going? Skylar. Hi, little man.
Spin back around.
Whoa.
Whoa. Spin him back around, man.
Here we go. Whee.
There he is.
Oh, hello.
There he is.
Hello. Bouncy, bouncy. Whoops. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. What you doing? What you doing, little man? Bouncer, bouncer.
I'm bouncing.
Bouncer, bouncer. Say hi, everybody. Look at me and my new contraption. I'm like in a circus over here.
Yay.
Yay! Oh, I'm going back this way. What you doing? Yay!
Whee!
This is my new thing. Yay! Hi, cuteness. What are you doing?
Maybe try putting him with both arms in the middle.
Both arms in the what?
In the middle? Maybe? Is it not wide enough for that? Or see, it kind of leveled them out, see?
There we go. Whee! Whee!
Skylar.
I think that's a perfect height, though. All right, Pumpkin.
I'm just hanging.
So hi, everybody. This
I'm
is
just
my
hanging.
new circus contraption.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
His arm fell.
I'm very sweet. Come on now, everybody's watching. Uh-oh. Look, you can touch. Look at you.
Are you standing?
Yay!
He's standing!
Yay! Say all right, everybody.
Yeah. Alright. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yay! Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yay!
If I turn my back, you'll go away, right?
Yay! Alright, buddy.
All right. All right, he's like, I already said bye-bye. You gotta turn it up.
Up!
So show me again, Dad. Show me again.
Up! 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 Up!
Skylar B.
What are you chewing on? Get your hands out of there.
Babe, get him to laugh again.
Okay. Come here. Get your hands out of there. There you go. Come on, let's get those hands up. Oh, goodness.
There he is.
There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Bounce it, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it.
Show me how, Dad.
Okay.
Show me how.
Here we go, Skylar. Ready? Up! Where you going? Whee! Ready? Up! Up! Yeah, do it. You can do it. Up! Up! Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Yay! Yay, Skylar!
I need you to show him how to do it, babe.
Alright, I think I'm done. Okay. Come here, Skylar. Here we go, buddy. Skylar, watch. Oh. Watch. Watch Daddy. Ready? Skylar. Skylar. Up! Skylar. Up!
Come on, we want to see you laugh one more time, Pumpkin. Come
Are you
on.
ready? Skylar?
All right. All right, Pumpkin, I guess you're done. Say bye. Oh, what's Daddy doing? All right, I'm ready for my bath.